in this session I will explain you sum number 8. Now this is also very important. Okay, now in this case the first one will keep it as intact. Now there something has to be done with this last three terms. Okay, as because they are not representing any identities, so we have to take these three terms in write these three terms in such a way that it should represent any identity. So how to do this? You put minus and all the rest of the three terms will put it inside the bracket. So when you're putting inside the bracket and when you see that minus sign is outside the bracket, then all the signs inside the bracket will change. That is, what is the first thing you have to write? 4b square. Now this plus sign will change to minus sign, so you will write 28bc, and this minus sign will change to plus 49c square. Okay, now again you see this particular term, if you have to solve, then you have to use this particular identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to what? A minus b whole square. To solve this particular bracket, curly bracket part, we need to use this identity. Okay, but we'll keep this first term as intact. We will not do anything with this, at least for now. Now what to do with, we have to convert the first and the last term into the whole square formation, that is 2b whole square. We'll put this minus, we'll give the gap. Now what will be the last one? It is written 49c square, so in place of 49c square we'll write 7c whole square. Okay, so in middle what we have to write? 2ab, so 2 into a is what? 2b, into b is what? 7c. So if you multiply it, you will get what? 28bc. Okay, now this whole thing will convert into a minus b whole square. So how to write it down? So 25a square minus a minus b. So what is there in the place of a? This is 2b, and what is there in place of b? It is 7c. So how to write a minus b? 2b minus 7c whole square. Okay, so I have converted this whole term in the form of a minus b whole square. Now from here we will require this identity, that is a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so this is very important, some students. Okay, now what we do is we have to convert this 25a square to a whole square formation. So how to write it down? So 25, let me write the question first, 2b minus 7c whole square. Now 25a square could be written as 5a whole square. Now this will be considered as a, and this entire thing will be considered as b, students. Okay, that is 2b minus 7c. This entire part will be considered as b. Okay, now this is a, that is 5a will be considered as a, and 2b minus 7c will be considered as b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. It is a plus b, isn't it? So what is there in place of a? Now this time you need to give curly bracket. Now a minus b. So what is there in place of a? 5a. A plus b. B is what? 2b minus 7, isn't it? So 2b minus 7c. Now put it inside a bracket because it is a binomial. Now again a minus b. What is there in place of a? 5a minus, again give a bracket, 2b minus 7c. Understood? This is b, this is a. Okay, this is a, this is b. Now open the bracket, that is 5a plus 2b minus 7c. There is no like terms, so we cannot solve anything. The same thing, you open the bracket here, 5a minus 2b minus will be plus 7c. Okay, so even this bracket also, even if you see carefully, in this bracket also there is no like term. So this would be your required answer. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 8. Okay students, thank you very much. Take care.